Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning technique where the algorithm learns patterns and relationships in data without any predefined labels or categories. The goal of unsupervised learning is to find hidden structure or patterns in the data. There are several types of unsupervised learning techniques, including clustering. Clustering is a technique used to group similar data points together. The algorithm groups data points based on their similarities and assigns them to different clusters. Principal component analysis (PCA). PCA is a technique used to reduce the dimensionality of data by finding the most important features that explain the maximum variance in the data. It transforms the data into a new coordinate system by projecting it onto the principal components. Association rule mining. Association rule mining is a technique used to find relationships between variables in a data set. It identifies patterns or associations among items in a dataset, such as customers who buy product A are likely to also buy product B. Anomaly detection. Anomaly detection is a technique used to identify unusual or unexpected data points in a data set. It can be used to identify fraud, errors, or outliers in data. Autoencoder. Autoencoder is a neural network-based technique used for unsupervised learning. It learns a compressed representation of the input data by training the neural network to reconstruct the input data from a reduced set of features. Unsupervised learning techniques are used in various fields such as data science, computer vision, natural language processing, and recommender systems. They are particularly useful when there is a large amount of unstructured data and it is difficult to label the data manually. For more knowledge, like, share and subscribe. AS Machine Learning Hub.